Paula's Choice 1% Retinol is a skincare product formulated with 1% concentration of retinol, which is a derivative of vitamin A. Retinol is a widely used ingredient in skincare, known for its anti-aging properties and ability to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. Paula's Choice is a skincare brand that focuses on evidence-based formulations and is known for its commitment to using high-quality, effective ingredients. In this video, I will be sharing with you the benefits of this retinol, how to use the product, including the do's and don'ts. If you're new here, we post skin education and skincare reviews on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. How does retinol work within the skin? Vitamin A in skincare, otherwise known as retinol or retinoids, is a key element to skin health and correcting skin conditions like acne, hyperpigmentation, and concerns of skin aging. Retinol is a targeted night treatment to help with skin renewal and can affect DNA change within the cells, so this is amazing to help with skin conditions. Retinol is best to be used at nighttime when our skin goes into repair mode, and the sun can also degrade the vitamin A and the ingredient can become ineffective. Retinol can also correct damage occurring within a cell, so when retinol penetrates into a cell, it works at correcting any damage, and then that cell can go off and function properly as it should be. When you first begin to use retinol topically on the skin, it works on the stratum corneum first, the top layer of the skin, the epidermis. It works at speeding up cell turnover and removing any dead skin cells that aren't meant to be there anymore. It is normal for your skin to go through a phase of being dry and flaky when you first begin to use retinol. Retinol then travels down the epidermis and interacts with the melanocytes, which create pigment within the skin. When melanocytes are damaged, they can produce excess pigment in the skin, giving our skin excess pigmentation or post-inflammatory scarring, which can occur with acne. Retinol will work at correcting and balancing the melanocyte so it is functioning normally. Retinol also works within the dermis. It has the ability to interact with our fibroblasts, which are responsible for creating collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid in the skin. Retinol will help the fibroblasts function correctly if it's slowing down, and it will also help to create strong collagen in the skin, resulting in healthier skin. It is one of the ingredients to actually reverse the signs of aging within the skin. So now we know the benefits of using retinol on the skin, but how do we safely use Paula's Choice 1% Retinol? Paula's Choice 1% Retinol is a lotion-like texture and ideal if you have normal to dry skin. 1% Retinol Booster from Paula's Choice has a thinner, fluid texture that works best if you have oily, combination, or acne breakout-prone skin. Paula's Choice Clinical 0.3% Retinol plus 2% bakuchiol treatment contains a slightly lower amount of retinol, 0.3%, but is still considered a high-strength option because it's paired with 2% bakuchiol, an ingredient with similar benefits to retinol that amplifies retinol's benefits. This treatment may be preferred if you have sensitive skin. Use retinol in the evening as retinol can increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun, so it's important to use this product at night and follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from UV rays. Limit initial use to 3 times per week to start with, gradually increase frequency to every other night, then finally reaching evening as tolerated. Start by cleansing the skin with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. Dispense a pea-sized amount of Paula's Choice 1% Retinol onto your fingertips or the back of your hand and gently massage this product onto your face, neck, and décolletage, avoiding the eye area and lips. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the frequency and the amount of the product used to allow your skin to acclimate to the retinol. Follow with a moisturizer to help hydrate and nourish your skin. This can help minimize potential dryness or irritation associated with retinol use. Paula's Choice 1% Retinol is formulated with additional ingredients to help minimize potential skin irritation and dryness commonly associated with retinol use. However, it is important to note that retinol can be potentially irritating to some individuals, especially those with sensitive or reactive skin. It is recommended to start with a lower concentration of retinol and gradually build up tolerance, and to always follow the usage instructions provided by the manufacturer. As with any skincare product, it's important to patch test prior to applying to your face. It is also not recommended to use during pregnancy or breastfeeding without consulting with a healthcare professional. If you experience persistent irritation or adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist or your healthcare professional. If you are interested in finding out the best products from Paula's Choice to help with acne or hyperpigmentation, then check out these 2 videos here.